Hello and welcome to Home Creativity Break. My name is Anna. I'm Artistic Director of Moving Classics TV. Moving Classics TV is an internet platform for new piano music. Our times need new ideas. In my 5th episode of Home Creativity Break, I would like to share with you how it is possible to get new ideas from your environment and especially from your conversations. In order to show you the role of empathy in the creative process, in my creativity breaks in companies, I usually do one listening exercise. Today I would like to try it out with you, but let me explain it to you first. I will play for you some music. This music shall stand for a conversation that you have in your daily life. I would like to ask you to find one word that would best describe what you hear. Are you ready? Just one word. Let's start. It was Impromptu by Franz Schubert. Let me share with you 2 interesting findings from this listening exercise. The first finding is: how fast did you find your word? Could it be that you found it within a few seconds, and once you made your decision, you were not listening with your full attention what came after? Even if the mood would have changed, you would probably have kept your chosen word. The second aspect is, let me guess your word. I did this exercise hundreds of times with the same music, so I might have an idea. So some people will say melancholy, sadness, sorrow. Others would go for dreaming, confidence, consolation, trust. Some would say spring or clouds. And there will be few exotic answers, something like moving flats. Did you recognize yourself in this answer? Isn't it amazing? Everybody heard the same, but we all had a different word, even if the meaning was more or less similar. There is no right or wrong. Different or even unexpected answers make us start thinking about different interpretations and show completely new aspects. And this is the beginning of a creative process. From my experience as a concert pianist, I learned how empathy works. For my audience, it might look that when I am playing on stage such a magic composition like Adagio by Alessandro Marcello, I'm totally in a different world. might seem to you that I'm totally focused on my own playing. But I am not. I am on stage, and you cannot imagine with what intensity I am aware of the presence of my audience. If their attention is fully focused on music, they are extremely quiet. And this intensive silence is immediately transferred back to me. I feel the attention of my audience, and it gives me additional energy. If I feel that I have not got their full focus, I try to win attention of my listeners. So my reaction would be to make all the nuances even stronger. Playing quieter, louder, faster, slower. I would need to be much more creative. And this brings me back to the definition of empathy. Empathy is the ability not only to listen carefully, but also to understand and interpret feelings and thoughts of others, and also to react accordingly. This creative process can be much fun for us musicians, but also for everybody else who is having a conversation. If we have a fascination for details, for nuances, if we are able and have energy to listen carefully to what other people are saying, there is an unlimited source for our imagination and for our creativity. And this allows us not only to develop a better understanding, but also to follow new paths in our activities. At the end of my home creativity break, I would like to invite you to listen to new piano music. Today it's a Etude for a Dreamer by Jennifer Thomas. The link is in the description below. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.